Hey guys, quick one for you today. Let's talk about the Xiaomi Desktop Keeper desktop speaker and, more importantly, why it might not be the right pick for everyone. Don't get me wrong, it does a lot of things right. The design looks clean and modern, you get a dual channel stereo effect, a 4-unit acoustic setup, multiple sound modes, and that integrated multi-use knob is genuinely convenient. On paper, it sounds immersive and well thought out, but once you actually live with it, a few limitations stand out. The biggest one is the bass. It's fine for casual listening, but it never really delivers that deep, punchy low end that makes music feel full and satisfying. Volume is another factor. It gets loud enough for a desk setup, but it won't compete with higher end or larger speakers. The build is also lighter than expected, around 660 to 670 grams, which makes it feel a bit less premium in hand. Another small but annoying downside is that there's no aux cable included in the box. On top of that, the aux connection only works if the speaker is powered via USB first, so you can't just plug in a 3.5 mm cable and go without external power. So, overall, while the Xiaomi Desktop Keeper looks great and works well for basic desktop audio, these compromises are worth knowing before you buy. Hopefully, this quick breakdown helps you set the right expectations. Have a great day, and see you next time.